Today we're going to take a look at the U50 Plus. We're going to do an unboxing and then we're going to go ahead and connect this and we're going to see how easy it is to do everything. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So right now you can see that I do have the U50 right here and we're going to open it up. So let's go ahead and do that. And inside of the box, you see we have the U50 document camera and we do have a USB cable. So let's go ahead and pull this out. In fact, the document camera is so easy to set up and use. It's just straight out of the box. It's plug and play. So we have our USB cable and we have our document camera. Here it is. That's it. You can see that we have the 2, 4, 6 LED lights. You have an autofocus. You also have the lamp to turn it on, and then a button to capture images when you're using software. So as an example, currently I'm using the AVer Touch software, and that's what you see that is showing the actual U50 Plus right here. So it is a gooseneck arm. So we're going to go ahead and connect it, and then I'm going to go ahead and show it through the AVer Touch software. So once again, all you're going to need to do is on the side, you have your USB port. We're going to connect this directly to our laptop. So I'll be right back. So now let's go ahead and connect this end of the USB into the U50 Plus. All right, the computer's just recognized it. You can see how long the neck is, so you're going to be able to capture an entire worksheet or book with no problem at all. So let me go ahead and change over to the U50 Plus, and we're going to see what the image quality looks like. And you see I was using the A30 to show the actual U50 Plus document camera. So now let's go ahead and go here. Here it is. Here's that image quality. Very good. Let me go ahead and get my A30 out of the way. So here it is. Let's go ahead and do our autofocus. You notice how clear that image is. And all I did was there's the blue button on the side of the document camera head, and that is your autofocus button. So let's go ahead and take a look at a dollar bill and see how that comes in. Wow, that is a sharp image. And we're about 3 inches above the dollar bill. So remember, I mentioned that there are LED lights, 6 of them on here, so I can turn those on. So let's do that right now. So I'm just going to tap the button. Now it gets really bright and then it adjusts to the brightness. So currently we're on the highest level. We tap it again and it's going to drop it down 1. You notice it lessen the brightness. One more and off. 3 levels of brightness. So there you have it. You can see how great the image quality is and how well the LED lights work with this. Again, let's take a look. There it is. Just takes a moment for it to adjust and look at the clarity of that image. So hopefully you can see now how easy the U50 Plus document camera is to use straight out of the box and using it with the AVer Touch software. Now you can use it with any software that will recognize a camera as a webcam. There you have it. That's it. So thanks for watching. My name's Chuck Tuck and I am with AVer. Bye-bye.